Hello everyone, this is Odoo Connect App, which is helpful to use integrate Clover payment device to the Odoo POS. To install this, go to the Clover Market app and install it. After the installation, you may just click on Open the app. It will redirect to another URL. It will show you our authorized, and it will give you an app key. You need to just copy the app key, which is helpful to use in configuration. After that, go to the Odoo, go to the point of sale. In point of sale, in configuration, go to the settings. In settings, search for the terminals. You need to enable this Clover payment terminals. After that, you have to create a Clover instance. As you can see, I have already done that. To create a Clover instance, you need to have a merchant ID, base URL, and app key which we got from this page. After that, you need to just click on Authorized. You are successfully authorized. Then next, you need to create a payment method. In Payment Method, select Journal. In Payment Terminal, select Clover. Select Clover Instance. In Clover Device, select Payment Device, which we are using for payment. If you can't find any devices, click on the Get Devices button. Then next, go to the Dashboard. In Dashboard, go to the Edit. You need to add Clover payment method and save. Then next, open the session. Add a new product. Go to the payment. In payment, you can see the Clover payment device. This green button indicates Clover device connected successfully with Odoo POS. Click on the Clover. Send the payment request.